So many times we come across people missing out on the fact that you can actually itemize on your taxes. A big one that we love talking about because of how many wins you receive from this is if you are charitably inclined. Seriously look at large contributions to charities. Doesn't mean you have to give them directly to charities that given year, but there are charitable giving funds. We recorded a podcast on that you can do to front load the amounts, put in large amounts of money for a period of time that you're planning on giving, getting the tax break now.
And then if you're going to have a really big year and you're getting a lump sum for something and you have to pay taxes on it, whether it's capital gains or ordinary income or earned income, you might want to put a bunch into one of these donor advised funds, even if you're not going to give it all to the charities right away, get a big deduction that year. Because if you get a very large sum of money, then you're going to be paying taxes at the highest bracket and you want to avoid that. So it depends, but this is where strategies and tax planning is super important if you're charitably inclined.
We actually love combining charitable giving with Roth conversions, which we talked about earlier. If I'm going to convert $50,000 from a traditional IRA to a Roth, and I got to pay income tax on that, I might put $50,000 into a charitable giving fund to help offset that, where I, in fact, don't. And so, one of the takeaways here within the tax code, now, again, I know we don't need to be exact tax experts. So many times we come across people missing out on the fact that you can actually itemize on your taxes. They just look at the standard deduction. That's what I've been taking for 15 years, so don't think about it. If circumstances in your life have changed, you want to make sure you consider itemizing. There are a lot of things you might be able to itemize to write off more than what the standard